Snorer. If you don't saw lumber while you slumber, then don't watch this commercial. Instead of her shaking, kicking, and begging you to be quiet, now you can. Introducing Be Quiet, the safe, effective way to sleep the night away. When worn at night, Be Quiet helps reduce the snore so you can sleep more.
Be Quiet definitely helped us get a peaceful night's rest. He was quiet. I got to sleep easy.
You know what they say, happy wife, happy life? Well, since I've been trying to be quiet, I don't snore anymore.
And I'm a happy wife.
Come to think of it, you did make me breakfast.
Yeah, I did.
Be Quiet will help you experience increased intimacy, promote family harmony, and most importantly, help you develop a healthy lifestyle. Look, open mouth breathing equals hardcore snoring and acts like a sound amplifier that keeps the whole family awake. But Be Quiet's anti-snore chin strap brings your jaw forward, keeps your mouth closed, and promotes better breathing, turning the noise down so everybody can sleep sound.
A good night's sleep is important to your good health. Be Quiet can help you breathe easier, snore less, and get a good night's sleep.
Made of a dynamic Comfort Flex fabric,